guys, we are here, or I am here. They're at the back. So I'm here in Dapitan City, specifically. I'm here where Rizal first landed in Dapitan City. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. See? So, in Dapitan, we're just visiting the area. So we're still here we're going to do the mission. Look at that. Look around. I'm just going to look around. Yes. Look at the area. It's so beautiful. Look at the area. There it is. You know that area is where the road going to Dakak. So, see, this is the area of Rizal's monument. So, yeah, that's it, I guess. You know, pretty much it. So we're going to the area. Hello guys, so now we're here at Rizal's Shrine. So we're going inside and see what's inside. This is my first time here, so I'm a little bit excited though. So we have to log first, and then before we are allowed to go in.
So we're going. are done. Tapos na kami. We're done. Inside the Museo ni Rizal. So, we're going to visit the other sites. So, we'll check. We'll check it out.
TV naman di manok.
Hmm?
May manok.
Come on. Dr. Jose Rizal. Dr. Jose Rizal.
Pobre na kaya.
Hmm?
Pobre kaya.
Ay, dato na ni sa una kay. Sa una manggod kay.
Ang pinaka-pobre kay kamay igbalay.
Hmm.
Naman daw ibalay.
Hmm. Mo pa na ilang ano ba? Bed sa ospital. Oh, ngano.
Dito.
May manok kay manok.
Nato.
Buhi.
Buhi. Balo na gamataman.
Naog na ta. That's basically it. So, we'll go to the next. Kinsa ni siya? Akala ko si Dr. Jose Rizal ni. Kani, kinsa man ni? Who's this? Who are you? Huh? Tare posisyon ni Dr. Oh. See. Ang pagdalaw ni Valenzuela sa Dapitan noong Hunyo 1896. Casa Quadra. Tinayo ni Rizal ang kubong ito upang maging dormitoryo ng mga mag-aral niya. Kinamit nilang paggawaan ng espasyo sa ilalim ng kubo. That maybe that one. Ito. Cut pala. Wow. Wow. May mga banig.
Ahmad. CCTV.
Hmm? Ano siya? Yeah. Next. Amanta. Tara. Kusina ni Rizal. Kusina ni Rizal, may sukat ang kusina ng 14 at 10 na talampakan at bukas ang mga gilid mula baywang pataas. Idinisinyo ito upang maging mahangin at maiwasan ang sobrang usok sa loob. Ano pitsil nila? Abuhan. Karaan dyan kayo. Puro mga clay, no?
Ikaw na siya sa kaya na balas.
Clay. Uy, nakaabot pa ko ani ba, oh. Actually, nakaabot pa ko ani nga nanipling ang lutuanan. Actually, available pa man nata siya karon. Available pa ni siya karon. So, on to the next one.
What's this? Plancha con memorata. conmemorativa de la visita que hizo en este histórico lugar en la mañana del 25 de abril de 1932, una comisión de masones de la Gran Logia de las Islas Filipinas, encabezada por Sumoy Ilustre Gran Maestre. Ano sila? Casa, residensya, bahay, tahanan. Ito ang pangunahing tira ni Rizal kasama niyang tumira dito ang magkakaibang panahon ng magkakaibang panahon ang kanyang ina, mga kapatid na babae at iba pang mga kamag-anak. Dito rin tumira si Rizal at Josephine bilang
May
mag-asawa.
uno sa taas.
Wala, yung ang ginagawa na putik na bayi, wala mo diyan. Tawag galing. Mura.
Yawan ako eh.
Ay,
Manis.
kagawat na may kuas. iPad no.
Ile.
Manok.
Luka po dan eh.
Hadlo kayo.
Bawal humiga. Bawal. My precious.
Sa vlog niyo ba, pagalan taon niyo, kinaibalbal.
Haluya ni idugay na kayo siya mo. Siya siguro si Josephine, no?
Sabi,
Asawa niya, no? Si Rizal. Ilang mga gamit to kay puro yung mga kahoy tanan. Ba? Mga kahoy tanan. Dr. Jose Rizal. Tara.
sabi yan.
Tara. Ali.
Casitas de Salud, maliliit na bahay ng kalusugan. Pinatuloy ni Rizal sa dalawang magkakatabing kubong ito ang kanyang mga pasyenteng mula sa malalayong lugar.
Wala, ano yung silbing hospital niya, clinic niya. Doon na.
Ito manin, lagi mo dugo-dugo.
Dito yung nilang papasinti gano'n.
Tinod ni nga blood.
Masin.
Hadlok pa sa day. Mga dugo-dugo. Yuck! Yak na pa yung mga ano din.
Karne sa tawag na.
Okay. Let's see.
Memories just came back. So here we're now here at the Miritero Rock. It says here, this heart-shaped rock used to be known as the Batong Lumayag or Sailing Stone because it appeared as a floating or sailing during high tide. Then it came to be called Miritero Rock because it was believed to be the place where Dr. Jose Rizal wrote his longest poem, Miritero, composed of 24 stanzas and 10 stanzas longer than the famous Mi Ultimo Adios. It was also here where he spent many hours watching the sunset, and this was also the site where he and Josephine Bracken exchanged vows and lived as husband and wife after the consent of his mother.
Yeah. It is kinda shaped of a heart. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's very nice. So what else? What else? Not na? Okay. So that's all. I guess that's all for this video. And if you guys have any questions, just comment down below. And I think I've covered probably everything inside this shrine, inside the museum of Dr. Jose Rizal. I'm really glad that I came here and found or read everything about basically about our national heroes. And Yeah, so see you guys next time. Once again, this is BhoyVizhaya, and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out.